Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be of me cleaning my kitchen up after making potatoes to celebrate our Canadian Thanksgiving. I don't know if I've ever told you guys, but I am actually from Canada, and so is my mom. So every year we celebrate Canadian Thanksgiving, even though we live down in the States. So my yearly duty is always mashed potatoes, and I always have to make a lot of them, so my kitchen is usually a pretty big disaster afterwards. In addition to that, I just wanted to take a second and thank you guys for all of the sweet and amazing comments that you put on my last video and all of just the kind words that you guys said to me. I really appreciate it. Depression can be such a hard thing and take so much out of you, even if you have an amazing life like I do, you know, it can just do so much just to your overall being. But you guys are amazing and definitely brought me up from that. So since I made mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving, my oven top is obviously stovetop. Yeah, stovetop. I always get those two confused. Since my potatoes kind of just get everywhere, I always have to do double duty. So I like to use my barkeeper's friend and sprinkle that all over it because it's glass top, and this stuff is so amazing. You use it with a wet sponge. I always use the blue one so it doesn't scratch. And the barkeeper's friend doesn't scratch also, and it's just, if you haven't tried it, it's amazing. You should check it out, especially if you have, you know, stainless steel pots, glass stovetop. It's amazing stuff, really. Since I couldn't stick everything into the washing machine, I figured I would just wash most of this stuff by hand and get it done with. That way I could have a clean sink. But you'll see when I'm done washing these dishes that I still have a pot in the dishwasher, and it's like kind of a mesh pan that I used for my potatoes, and I really like to stick those in the washing machine because I feel like they get a better clean when they're in there. But yeah, I generally don't like washing things by hand though. This spray away glass cleaner stuff I always use it on my stainless steel and obviously the glass in my house, but it is by far the best stuff I've ever used. It doesn't streak, it doesn't do anything like that, especially if you use a microfiber cloth. I find the best results are definitely with the microfiber, but it works amazingly well also with paper towels or old newspaper, which is kind of a weird thing, but does work, I promise. So I have a funnel underneath my sink that I use when I am needing to put product into bottles or, you know, soap into certain dishes. And I use it strictly just for, you know, chemicals and stuff that is not something you put in your mouth, pretty much. So after I'm done mopping, I'm going to put away these dishes now that they're dry. And then I'm going to fold the towel and the kitchen will finally be done. This took me about 45 minutes in real time. But you know, who wants to see it in real time? It's always more entertaining, in my opinion at least, to see it in fast forward. It's a little bit more satisfying, at least, I don't know, maybe to me, just me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!